If you enter a larger volume of vendor invoices, you can run a function to search for invoices to pay to ensure that none are missed. To start system check processing, from the Payments menu, select Print Post Checks and Advices, or click the Check Run button on the toolbar. System checks generate payments for a list of vendor invoices or other unapplied transactions, selected from the criteria below. Processing is performed for a specific bank and date, used for all checks. You can print checks for any or all vendors, or only checks with a total amount in a specified range. If any invoices have terms that allow for early payment discounts, enable the Take Discounts option to select invoices for payment, even if they are not yet due. Enable On or Before to choose invoices based on the due date, and ignore discounts before to exclude invoices where the discount opportunity has passed. Transactions can be forced for selection through control payments. Choose to pay only those that have the forced payment status. The Pre-Check Register report will print a list of invoices to be paid, and also indicate if the transaction was selected because of the discount or the forced status. It will also indicate if a check will not be printed because the calculated check amount is not positive, or the total check amount is outside a specified range. And invoices with a maximum payment amount applied will be paid that amount and indicated on the report. A second report, Payables Withheld, lists all vendor transactions that have been put on hold through control payments. The Payments tab has a grid that shows the same list of selected transactions as the Pre-Check Register report. The Generate button will create the same list as the report. You may edit the actual payment amount applied to any transaction by editing the record on the grid and changing it to the desired amount, or even 0 to not pay the invoice. Right-click on the grid to set all transactions as cleared, which sets all payment amounts to 0, or pay the full payment values. The Status tab indicates the last time checks were printed, and whether any manual check batches exist to avoid accidental double payment. Invoice payment amounts on system checks are recalculated automatically from any manual check payments not yet posted. When you are ready to print checks, click the Print Post button. Check numbers will be assigned based on the sequence defined for the bank. The default check specification can also be assigned to the bank. Click the Print button to start the process, printing checks to the specified printer. After checks have printed, you can choose to print an additional form. These are often used for advice-only details, which can be emailed or faxed to the vendor, or printing advices to plain paper to avoid wasting pre-printed stock when paying dozens of invoices. Always choose Yes to clear advice information, so nothing will be duplicated for the next check run. Continue from here to complete posting. The check register is the audit report for system checks. Posting also updates check reconciliation and a separate check number audit list report. Manage your cash flow effectively by using an efficient system for check processing. Find out more about Adagio from the product page on our website. Watch another training video on this Adagio program from the playlist, or subscribe to the Adagio YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.